Hello and welcome to Car Street. My name is Rashid and today I am excited to present you this beautiful 2019 Range Rover Vogue 3.0 long wheelbase. This luxury vehicle has only been driven 60,000 km and is a first owner car registered in the state of West Bengal. From the outside, the Range Rover Vogue boasts a sleek and modern design that is sure to turn heads. On the inside, the plush leather seats and spacious cabin provide a comfortable and relaxing ride. But don't let its luxurious appearance fool you. This Range Rover Vogue is fully loaded with advanced features and technology. The panoramic sunroof provides stunning views of the sky, while the heated and ventilated seats offer ultimate comfort in any weather. The infotainment system is state of the art with a large touchscreen display, premium audio, and smartphone integration. Plus, with advanced safety features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a rear view camera, you can drive with confidence and a peace of mind. If you're ready to experience the ultimate luxury SUV, come visit us at Car Street. Our expert team is here to answer any questions you have and help you find the perfect car for your needs. You can reach us at 70 to schedule a test drive or learn more about this Range Rover Vogue. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you at Car Street.